Strips is a Photoshop plugin for cutting up a picture into smaller pieces. For instance, if you're doing wallpapers or tiling. So let's look first at how to install strips. When you downloaded the zip file and unpacked it, you should have this file called install strips.jsx. Double click on that and confirm that you want to run it in Photoshop, and then would you like to install in Action? Yes. And now you should have a new button called strips. Okay, so let's look at an example. Let's say we want to cut this picture up into a 4x4. So here's the user interface. I specify here the size of the strips, and I'm going to set this to 25%. And same thing here. And I'm going to have no overlap on this picture. I want all my JPEGs to have the prefix Hawkow, and I'm going to save them in a folder called Hawkow. Then we run, and let's look at the result. So now it's cutting up this picture into smaller pieces and is numbering them, so it should be easy for you to assemble them afterwards. Okay, let's look at another example. Let's say you want to do a wallpaper out of this one. So let's say, well, first you probably want to enlarge it. So let's say you want a picture that's 150 centimeters wide. We can set the resolution to 100 dpi. Right, so now it tells me I have 150 centimeter wide picture here, and I'm gonna cut it up into 60 centimeter strips, because that's what a printer would handle. The height I'm gonna set to 100% because it's a rolling paper, so they're gonna be long strips like that. And I want the overlap to be 10 millimeters, so that when you put these together you have a little bit of overlap. It's a gray, and I want this in another folder called wallpaper. Alright, we'll have a look at what it's producing. Oh, you can see it's done already. So it's done 3 strips.